Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trinity Elise, and today we're gonna be vlogging a day in my life. And so, since I wasn't able to get the first week of classes or first day of classes, we're just gonna be doing Sunday, which is what I've been doing a lot. I may do a lot today compared to the rest of the week where I was just doing work. But today we're gonna start off with a brunch. It's like a roommate brunch. Everyone's making their own little part to breakfast. And we'll see how it goes. Making powdered sugar, look. And the bacon cooking. I've currently made this much. I think it looks pretty well. Or pretty good. We got potatoes. We got grits, monkey bread, and French toast are in the oven. Okay, pause. I had to take a social break because I was becoming, my battery was just slowly deteriorating. So I'm in my room taking a social break. We'll get back to the food shortly.
I don't know the year. Walk it like I talk it. Niggas pocket, watch it. I want that, this, that menage. I bought a franchise to double up the profit. Make a landslide, chopper, get the poppin'. Elliot got me rocket. Throw a socket, chicken teriyaki. Take off rocket, keep them in bucket. Water gon' lock it, quadruple the profit. I walk like I walk, talk like I talk. What's in my vault, know the cash in the sauce. I put 11 in my loft. She cook up and jack with the vault. By the pair, I got carrots that show. By the pair, I got carrots each load. Private life, private just run the globe. Hit a bitch, hit a lick with the Joe. What the fuck? No milk walking, honey. Walk it like I talk it. That's my bro, he know the lingo. Ain't no walking talking. This some you know, I don't we know. Hold out on that coffee.
Okay, so currently all the plans for the day went down the drain. I think the last time I talked to y'all, it was right after we made brunch and saw Joe and his people play football. And then We got smoothies, and the sun beat me down, so I took a nap. But now it's about 9 p.m. and he decided he wanted to cook, so we're making macaroni. Yeah, I'm dropping stuff already. We made macaroni. We're making macaroni and salmon. I don't know if those two go together, but we're about to see. So let's go. The party that I was originally supposed to go to got postponed till next Sunday. So hopefully y'all will see that in the next vlog.
Baked mac and cheese and salmon.
Baked mac and cheese and salmon. Currently, this is a lot of noodles, but we're getting the noodles to a boil, and then we are defrosting the salmon.
When I rise and boast, yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. But thank God for the journey, the earning, the task, to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings fall on my right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off every load. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and we go on with the road. Third form is a very tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring. Like hello, brother, say I just shut down. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul to your body and live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the earning, the just to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall on my right hand. But I toast to the friends that take off the road. One time, kids sit down in a class and we board then only sit the road and we go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings are for me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings are for me. And that's how I'm gonna give him the top free. I'm with the delighted. You know some of us are ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a potion.
Oven, and now we're about to make salmon. Have the butter sizzling. You see that? He's cutting up the salmon. Look at it. Looks good. Good? It's good? Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to get more uploads and more things. Yeah, press that subscribe button.